So in my last video, I actually shared with you guys that today I'll share you another interesting story. And this story is about the difference between the marriage and love. Hello friends, I am your host Umair Sharik and you are watching Pakistan Online. Last video, I actually shared with you guys that today I'll share you another interesting story. And this story is about the difference between the marriage and love. There is an interesting conversation between the student and her teacher, and the teacher tried to explain to that girl that how you can make decisions well in marriage and love, and what is the difference between marriage and love. So without wasting any further time, I shall start the story with you guys. So once a student went to his teacher and asked her that what is the difference between marriage and love, because she actually confused, and she said the question like this, that why often people marry a different person which they can't love. The teacher, in order to respond to the question, the teacher said, you first go to the wheat field and try to take a best one which you have, which you find this is the best one. But the rule is that you, if you pass some passage, you can't turn yourself back. So that the same that student did. She went into the wheat field and tried to find the best one, to find the better one. She went to the fields, and when she saw that a big wheat over there, and when she saw the big wheat over there, then she realized that maybe there is some bigger one ahead. So she went ahead. So when she went ahead, the same thing when she realized that maybe there is a bigger one ahead. So by thinking like that, she passed the half of the field, and later on she realized that she actually finished all the wheat field in search of the best one, or in search of the big one. But after finishing all the field, then she realized that she might miss the best one in search of a better one. So she actually come with an empty hand. So she went into her teacher once again, and then she replied to her teacher that I didn't get anything, with an empty hand. So I can't forgive myself actually. The teacher told to his student that you are actually in search of the better one, but in search of the better one, you actually miss the best one, which you, if you can get, that you are not kept left here, you can't come back with an empty hand. So the teacher said that usually this is supposed to be happen in our daily lives as well. So like in search of finding the best one, in search of finding the better one, we actually miss the best one which we have in our lives. So the student said, the student asked a cross question, that is it mean that we can't fall in love? The teacher said, no dear, you should have to be fall in love, but you make yourself conscious. So if you are falling in love with someone, then don't try to make yourself angry, or don't come your ego in the relationship, and don't stop comparison with your partner to another one. So the question that the student again asked is how they end up with someone they do not love. So the student asked this question once again to the teacher. The teacher again respond to that, but the question, go into the cornfield, not wheat field, go to the cornfield and choose the biggest corn and come back. But the rule is the same. If you can't go through the passage, you can't go back. But now when the student went into the cornfield, now she become more conscious, because she don't want to repeat the mistake which she did before. So when he go into the middle of the wheat field, she take the medium corn with his in his hand, and then turn back to his teacher and then said that I have something. So at this time, her teacher replied to that student, because you instantly, the first time you are thinking about the better ones, you can't you have nothing in your hands. So now you are actually thinking the best ones, so at least you have come with something. So this is all about marriage. At least you have something with yourself in hand. So this is how the person choose in his or her daily life. But the thing is that the student is still getting confused by the answer of the teacher. The teacher said, why you are still bothering? The student replied that I am wondering that which would have been better, marrying a person who loves, or loving a person whom you marry. The teacher replied, the thing is you have to, the teacher initially replied, it is very easy. only if you are willing to admit it to yourself. The teacher said the life is like a basket full of fruits. Either you have to make a choice of eating of fruits you love, or be content with something that is healthy. That is all about difference between love and marriage. Choose wisely, else you have to spend your life wondering. As long as you stay true to yourself and honest, you can't go wrong with any of these two choices. So the same is, so I hope you understand my message with you. So what should we learn from this story? We learn from this story that the thing we have to make yourself satisfied. The person whom you love, don't compare with others. Don't make yourself, don't take your egos when you are in a relationship. But always choose the person which is not the better one, which is you seem that is the best one for you, and make yourself sure that what is the difference between infatuation and love. Infatuation is only attraction, it is not love. Love is different, love is something else. So while taking any decision, you just make yourself important, and what is actually love is, to make yourself clear. So accordingly choose the person wisely, because when you choose the person wisely, at least you have something. But when you are finding in search of a better person, you always miss the chances and always miss the best person which you might have if you don't think the way you are thinking. So I hope you like this video, you like this message. So if you are in love, so just think before taking any action. But if you are in a marriage situation, you are already married, so also make yourself that the person you have in your life, just be satisfied with that person, because this is the best person you can get in your life. If you like this video, kindly share it with your with other persons, so the person actually might understand the philosophy of love and marriage. So till then, stay tuned with my channel. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and bye bye. See you in my next video.